So, any idea, guys, to you about advanced tax? किसी को कोई भी? What is advanced tax?
Advance tax is which is paid advance to the quarterly, monthly.
Yeah,
Quarterly, monthly. Okay.
Yeah.
What other than this? Yes. So, advanced tax, who is required to pay tax? Individual, company, partnership firm. Yes. Anyone can.
partnership firm.
Partnership firm.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, even the partners,
And the
firm
partners.
partners.
Okay. Partnership firm, partners, and and
NGO form
I-
also.
and company also.
Yes.
Individual.
Individual. So you mean everyone need to pay?
No, sir. Like NGO can also pay. Company can also pay.
Individual can also pay. Company can also pay. Okay. So what do you mean? Who is required to pay advance tax?
So if your tax liability is more than 10,000 rupees.
So advance tax is required to be paid when you are in a business, when you have an income from business,
Yes,
business
sir.
income, right? First point is, if you have a business income, then you require to pay
Advance.
advance tax. Now, if you have salary income, तो ये सारे पॉइंट ज़्यादा relevant नहीं. So if you have salary income, income from salary, do you need to pay any advance tax?
No, sir.
No,
No,
No.
sir.
Why?
You are
It's not
paying
your business
TDS.
income. No?
because it is not a business.
It is not a business.
It's your salary income basically.
And you're paying TDS on it.
Who said TDS? Abhinav.
Yeah.
So Abhinav said TDS. Exactly. Why advance tax is not required to be paid? Because TDS is deducted,
Yes, sir.
and there are various methods of collecting tax. Government may collect tax either in the form of TDS, or in the form of TCS, or in the form of advance tax, or in the form of self assessment tax. SET. So these are the four different types. One, two, sorry, two, three, and four. So these are the four different ways in which government can collect tax from the taxpayer.
Yes, sir.
When you receive salary for the month of April, TDS is deducted, right?
Yes, sir.
TDS is deducted in the month of April itself. Clear? So this is again a kind of advance tax. Tax government को when government can receive the tax, government can receive the tax before 15th March. So if your financial year is 2021, so if government received any tax before 31st March 21, it would be called as advance tax, right?
Yes, sir.
In case of TDS, you receive the salary for the month of April. April salary you receive on 30th April. After deducting TDS, so if your salary is say 50,000 per month, TDS is say 5,000 per month, so 45 net will be
45,000.
yes, 45 net would be credited in your account. Clear? So this 45 is after deducting TDS. Done. So 5,000 tax is already paid. So either you pay tax in the form of TDS or TCS or advance tax. Ultimately, government is receiving that money. Clear है? चाहे आपको एडवांस टैक्स की फॉर्म में मिल रहा है पैसा गवर्नमेंट को, किसी भी फॉर्म में मिले, इससे मैटर नहीं करता गवर्नमेंट को, लेकिन उसको पैसा मिल रहा है. और टीडीएस तो आपका अप्रैल का टीडीएस इज डिपॉजिटेड ऑन 7th में. जब आपकी सैलरी से टीडीएस कटता है 30 को आप सैलरी मिलती है, 30 अप्रैल को सैलरी मिलता है आपको 50,000, 5,000 का आपका टीडीएस कट जाता है, तो आपके अकाउंट में केवल 45,000 क्रेडिट किया जाता है। जो whatever the amount is deducted as TDS, in this our case 5,000 is TDS amount. So your company will deposit 5,000 on 7th May. On 30th, company is giving you the salary after deducting the tax amount, and that amount is being deposited to the government on 7th May. Whereas in case of normal tax, government receives the tax amount after 31st March. So what I said अगर 31st March से पहले 31st March 2021 से पहले गवर्नमेंट को कोई भी टैक्स मिलता है तो वो एक तरीके का एडवांस टैक्स है, ये ध्यान रखिएगा। फाइनेंशियल ईयर आपका 31st मार्च को क्लोज होता है, 1 अप्रैल 2020 को कमेंस होगा, 31st मार्च 2021 को एंड होगा। तो फाइनेंशियल ईयर एंड होने से पहले गवर्नमेंट को अगर कोई भी टैक्स का पैसा मिल जाता है, भाई एक साल में आपकी इनकम कितनी हुई है तो आपको एक साल खत्म होने के बाद ही पता चलेगा ना। एक पीरियड में 12 महीने के एक पीरियड में 12 मंथ के पीरियड में आपको इनकम क्या हुई ये तो 31st मार्च को पता चलेगा, और तो तब हम टैक्स देंगे। लेकिन गवर्नमेंट को आप एस्टिमेशन बेसिस पर टैक्स पे कर रहे हो और 31st मार्च से पहले पे कर रहे हो तो एडवांस टैक्स है। टीडीएस हर महीने पे हो रहा है तो गवर्नमेंट के पास तो 31 मार्च से पहले ही पैसा मिल रहा है ना, तो ये भी एक तरीके का एडवांस टैक्स है। सैलरी पर टीडीएस इज डिडक्टेड, तो अलग से आपको कोई भी टैक्स
Sir?
देने की। हाँ जी
Sir, is advance tax mandatory for businesses?
यस, इट इज मैंडेटरी।
Okay.